Shines, it's Kristen again, and today I want to bring you along with me as I get ready for a debut. So if you're interested in how I got this look, from my makeup to my hair and to everything else, and how the party turned out, keep on watching. Okay, so this is me barefaced again. So I just showered and I just finished my skincare routine for the day. And I'm gonna go ahead with my makeup since it's already 4:10 p.m. and I have done nothing. And the debut starts at around 6 p.m. and I have less than 2 hours to get ready, and kilala nyo ako, di ko talaga kaya maging ready sa 2 hours lang. So first, I'm gonna put on my headband to remove the hair out of my face. So since I don't have any products on just yet, I'm gonna prime my face. So first, I'm gonna be using, again, the Porefessional License to Blot Instant Oil Blotting Stick. And I'm just gonna put that on my T-zones since these are the areas where I get oily easily. I'm going ahead with my Porefessional Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores. And I'm gonna put that all over my face as my primer. So it actually comes in little travel packs. Next is foundation. So for a foundation, I'm going to be using my super duper favorite foundation, and that is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, which is matte and poreless. And I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And what I'd like to do is get a foundation brush, put that all over my face. Don't forget to put some on your neck to even out your skin tone. I will be using the Gigi Hadid times Maybelline since my friend Mariel gave it to me. And now I'm gonna use it for the first time, even though I've had it since December and it's like February already. I'm just gonna try to play around with it and see how that works out for me. For the concealer, I'm gonna use the light concealer over here. It easily glides on your skin. So I'm just gonna get a beauty blender and I'm gonna blend that. This is the first time I have ever tried something that is not in a liquid form, pero I kind of like it actually. Since this doesn't have a powder along with it, I'm just going to be getting my Porefessional Agent Zero Shine Vanishing Pro Powder. I'm going to put a little on the lid. And I'm going to put that on the places where I concealed. First, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One 2-Way Cake to mattify it a little bit so that the products would stay a little bit longer. I'm going back with my Jetsetter palette. I'm just going to get the brush that comes along with it. Tingnan natin kung makakatiis ako dito. I'm just going to get that brown shade and put that on my crease. Alam nyo guys, ang hirap gamitin ng brush na I give up. Using a flatter brush, and gonna take that pink shade and just press it on my eyelids. Next, I'm gonna be taking a fluff brush with a flat tip, and I'm gonna be getting the black shade, just a little bit. I'm gonna put that on the outer corners of my eye. Next, I'm going with the white one. O, diba? Ginamit ko na lang. I'm gonna use the brush that they gave. I'm gonna line this with the inner corners of my eye. For the brows, since the Jetsetter palette doesn't have anything for the brows, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. in the shade Light. I'm used to using eyebrow pencils or eyebrow mascaras. I'm gonna take a little of that dark brown with the brush that comes along with it, and I'm gonna start lining my brows. So I forgot how to vacation. Ganito talaga ako mag-get ready, guys. Ang tagal. Now, I'm gonna get the lighter shade, and this is kind of a powder one, and I'm gonna get the other end of the brush to fill in those gaps. Okay. Next, my brow gel, and this is just the Nichido colorless brow gel I've been telling you about, and I'm just gonna brush those brows. Getting my KJM cheek and lip tint in the shade Bittersweet Magenta, and excuse me, the last time I posted a video I used the Bloodshot, and I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks, and I'm just gonna be using a beauty blender to blend that away. Since I'm not a fan of the brush they have here, I'm using the e.l.f. contouring brush. Para maliklit naman yung forehead ko. Next, I'm going ahead with my powder brush from Benefit and powder my T-zone. Curling my lashes. I'm gonna be using the one that comes along with it. I have never opened it yet, so let's see what kind of mascara this is. Oh, yung Colossal Volume Express. Ooh. No matter how many times I put on the product, it doesn't clump. Next is blush. I'm gonna be putting on the blush since sobrang nagmamadali na ako. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna get a blush brush, and I'm going back with the Gigi Hadid blah blah blah, and I'm gonna get the blush. Parang sobrang pink naman. So for highlight, I will be using the one in the palette. The one in the palette. I'm gonna get a fan brush. Ooh. I'm gonna put a little on my Cupid's bow and on the tip of my nose. So I'm going ahead with the pink lip balm. For lipstick, I'll be using the Maybelline matte lipstick, and it's in the shade Clay Crush. Okay, so let's remove that, and I'm going on with my hair. For hair, I'm going to be using this Vitreous Cuticle Coat Heat Protect. Since I'm going to curl my hair, I'm going to try to curl my hair since I don't know if I have the time, so I'm kind of rushing. So I'm just going to put a little amount on my fingers. On my hand. So I'm just gonna be curling my hair ng isang mabilis. Mga 4 na nun, and then I realized wala pala akong hairspray. Ano ba man, Kristen? Ngayon pa, kailan late na late ka na. So I got scissors na. I went to the nearest drugstore. Buti na lang mabait yung guard. Naghanap talaga siya ng hairspray for me. Ito lang yung brand na meron nun. Before curling my hair, I like to spray my hair with the hairspray na. After that, I'm gonna be sectioning my hair. Never forget your gloves, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Oh yeah, I got my curly wand from Candy Blush Hair. I ordered it online. Be careful not to burn yourself talaga, yun lang yung tip ko. Kasi may scar na ako because of that. This is the finished look. It's currently 6:07 p.m. and the invitation said 6 p.m. I love you, Dan, and I'm sorry, but I promise I'll be there.
Hello po! Late na kami, pero nasa car na kami.
for this video, leave a like or a comment down below, especially if you have any video suggestions for me. Subscribe if you haven't and click the bell button to get notified whenever I post another video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thank you again so much for watching, and remember, keep your Scots low and your standards high. Bye guys!